Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sending a sticker without sound in Telegram. Have you ever wanted to send a sticker to someone without the accompanying sound effect? We've got you covered. With a few simple steps, you can send stickers silently in Telegram. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of sending a sticker without sound in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Step 2. Go to the chat where you want to send the sticker. Step 3. Tap and hold on the sticker for a few seconds until a menu appears. Step 4. From the menu that appears, tap on the Send Without Sound option. This will send the sticker without playing the sound effect. By following these steps, you can send stickers silently in Telegram, ensuring that the recipient doesn't hear the sound effect associated with the sticker. Sending stickers without sound can be useful when you want to share a sticker without causing any audio disturbance or simply prefer a quieter messaging experience. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in sending stickers without sound in Telegram. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sending stickers silently in Telegram.